Hello guys, quick update on BBN NAIJA 2018. Yes, I know many of you have already seen it, but I am just so excited not to share with you guys. The best man won this game. Miracle Ikechukwu won the Big Brother NAIJA 2018. I am really excited for him, guys. I know I wasn't team nobody, but I really wanted this guy to win because he was so good, so good. If he hadn't won, I would have concluded that Big Brother Nigeria is a scam. Yes, the best man won. I am so excited for him. Sisi was first runner-up. Toby was second runner-up. Alex, third runner-up. And Nina took the fourth position. In fact, they are all winners. They all really tried. It is not easy. So guys, this is how you all voted.